Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add elements to your design on Canva. So as you can see here, I have a blank design on my Canva, and then I want to add some elements from Canva. What you need to do is just click on the plus icon at the bottom corner and then choose the elements option here. And then as you can see here, there are various elements that you can add into your design. There are line, frame, arrow, circle, square, and also pictures and videos and also audio. You can just choose one of them. For example, I want to add these stickers like this, and then it will automatically shown in your design. You can also adjust the size of the elements like this, and also make some adjustment. Okay, so that is how you can add elements to your design on Canva. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to click the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all on the next video. Bye bye.